to pila sngobiang ka jingstat ke bapio na school ne pidang sngodon kam ban tip khamba shishu ya ka core computer wan ha AICS lane Advanced Institute of Computer Science kabadon ha paham sim nongpo mar persya bat ke school Alpha Higher Secondary School nyidon sibun kirkom hikai ban tip ya ka computer bantip company asyusyu pun hau number pra line nyo ar nyo saw ar ndreo nyo lani praiwe line ar not saw pra san saw wan mapi hikai mangi banang ban start mapi ban sengan galawai jong gari om tangkata henrengi diru ya ki laptop bat ki komputer ki barim lani ki all stock hagador ke babit bat ki mar ki badang tip top. Menteri Rembah ke Jelau Konrad K. Sangma mentah ke singulai simpentah ke jingilang penku burom ya ke nongjob ha ke World Arm Wrestling Championship kalau penlong ha Moldova ha kini kindiat singing ke beladam ha ke baya kini ke program la penlong da ke Meghalaya Arm Wrestling Association ha KGP Assembly Hall badlai simpentah langru do menteri ketenat di kami lekai ubak syakler warjri lambat kiwai Habai jengkren Menteri Rembah ke Jelau Konrad K. Sangma ulong bakam long ke besuk ban job haki kerdan ban nengkong lane ki kerdan ki bar jong ke pertai barok kawai ha kono ke kami lekai Henry ke don kam ban penlet jemut ia ke jing tenat ke jing IT lut ke jing Asia bat ke jing tristom bat ulong ru ba jupoi perkat bagi nong lekai na ke Jela ke barit kum ke Jela Meghalaya bakan yo ia ke borom ke bakat kene ke jing IA jong play Walaupun pauru ia kejeng sukumen balala menirap ha kono urkom la ke dei ha ke liang ke pisah ni kiwi kejeng irap na ke Chief Minister's Development Fund. Menteri Rembah ke Jelau walaupun benaru bakendon ke lempung ngileka football ke balatip kum ke inter constituency ha ke baro nrupau teli ki kenhun na baro ki constituency kin sawan panekhun ha ke ban perlong hadin ke Meghalaya Games. Ulong bagi wepat gijak jing lekai kin bot bat kin yo ya ke jing kersan bat kirensan na ke benta gijak jing lekai joki ban yo ya ke nam kini kinong syapun ku borom ha ke sengi ki kentop ya ke senebi sengkeli ke nong yo tak kemar nong ha ke liang ke ketiga diang bat ke ketiga mon ha ke thup jong ki kentai ki besan kilo ke jing khia nang ta ka mi sngo bahar rembai ke nong yo tak kemar rupa baro ar ha ke ketiga diang bat ke ketiga mon jong ki kentai ha ke thup grandmaster ke baprapau kilo nang ta ka starina jasan kan nong yo tak kemarupa ha ka ketiga diang mat ka tak kemar nong ha ka ketiga mon ha ka thup jong ki 100 kilo grandmaster uhiubat paliar balio ya tak kemar nong ha ka ketiga diang jong senrang ha ka thup jong ki 100 kilo ha ka para senior HI ka kong margaret petau kan nong yo tak kemar nong ha ka ketiga diang badru ka tak kemarupa ha ka ketiga diang ki kentai ha ka thup ka bah 100 kilo master udon bok rumnong bala job kumu master Asia Pacific senior category bala yo ya tak kemaksiar bat ka overall men's physics arajar arpsau bat unong ilekai ban nengkong e na Jela Meghalaya ban yo ya ka prokat sa Philippines bat ujoni nong rom ubri unong job ha ka middleweight 6 bidang fight championship ka team India kali yo ban khur hadu khatsan teli kita kema ha ka World Arm Wrestling Championship ka bala penlong ha Moldova ha ka bakhandai teli kita kema la yo da kinong ilekai na Meghalaya.
I remember 2018 when Bajon and the other members had come to me and they said, sir, we don't get any funds to organize any tournaments. And I think that meeting we had was the starting point of so many things that we've been able to do in the last many years. Yes, it's a long process to be able to finally say win medals and compete at the national level or even win international competitions. But it's a journey that started 6 years back, and I'm happy to see that we are really moving in a very positive way. And I think today's sports, this felicitation program is a testament to that belief and to that journey and that process that we're in. Our athletes, our sports persons, and the different individuals who participated were able to be part of this World Championship. Because we all know that it's not easy. It's very tough. You have to have the real passion inside you and the belief inside you and the real desire to make this happen and push it, to face the challenges that you have all faced, to come to this level of winning medals and defeating champions at the world stage, at a global stage. And as was being mentioned by our pastor who was here, who was earlier mentioned, talking about it, that whoever expected that our, talent and our sports persons would be able to defeat the best in the world. And that's the kind of talent that we have shown, the kind of commitment that we have shown, not just, as I said, the sports persons and the participants, but the entire organizing committee that has ensured, the association that has ensured that you have participated at this level. So my congratulations to the winners, congratulations to the participants. All of you are winners in my eyes. You may not have won the medal, but the fact that you participated, faced the challenges, and competed at the world stage, I think speaks a lot about the character inside you and the determination that you had to compete at the top level. I congratulate, as I said, the organizing committee and the association. Financially, you had challenges, whether to organize this, whether to have the programs, whether to participate at international level. It's not easy to do these kind of things. But it's your determination that has made this possible. I'm happy that from the Chief Minister's special grant, we were able to support you with about 7.5 lakhs. I know it's not enough, but whatever support we could give, as you all know that I support hundreds of associations and organizations like these, and therefore it's not possible for me to always give the entire amount. But wherever possible, we support, and I'm happy to see that whatever small support we gave, it has at least helped in really supporting you to be part of this tournament. Having said that, of course, sports has been very, very important part of what we do as a government. And I repeat myself when I say this, but we have always believed that sports is not just about the medals that we win, but sports is about the character we build in our youngsters.
Ya kepengalak kedua, ya Presiden juga Ambassador Association Bajun. Akabang ya kedua, banyak keren para swab bikin leg, sepo Moldova, bilanyo ya pemilih kedua. Ban nadam terkeceman nak terkapor ngalaong ni Bajun, ban kalian ke government, ngin ai ke sendirian nak kepentak association, nama ni dan ni kenjingnya ke baskem. Balik bagai kita sendirian, dia kebakin yo, bakin leg, bakin represent di state kejumi, bakin dikmat menentang jelas kejumi. Baru ke juga por, dia ni kejingkerman, bakin job di medals. Kementar kan mengadap dari kejingkerman, bah kalong keurlong sisa kata kejing alur kejumi. Ban beli yang kepengakren ni kini, bah nakalian kejumi ke sokar, nakalian kejumi ke government. Ni nakapor sa kapor ni juan ni sin ni juan encourage la kalong ni kini ni association do kamtama ka day but ki habay day with the sports ya kabang ni juan ni sin ni juan tu ki pangin na kailan ko soka na kailan government nagpor sa kapor ni don rengkat lang but ki association la kalong ka pangin no sinyang la kalong ka doon babenta namar ni don ni kata jinget ba limba ka jinget trailang jumi but kini ki association ki prepare idan ni katakan jingit bala nakadon ka jingit trailang ngin iru ki athletes jumi bakin nakir nakapor sa kapor isa kaman ngindang ya don benta bagi association berkunjung ki sports club ki prepare kabangin ai ya ka isa lang ni no sinyang si association ki sports club ki prepare but bamaki ni ketur ki bakin one kaman bagi proposal bamaki kidan nakaliang kajuni ini persangkat kebenila benino yang mengin air kerajaan Arab nakabenta kini kikun samlar wajlah kajuni hantam ha kabede berkesport dan kermen ban nadu mentala benila ya ka bengin invest bengin air kata kajuni Arab ki ni kermen lada mendega syai le sisi le sans nem lada si host nem min se ibar yu tau so ubatia
Pidon kam projector ban peni film ni pidon kam projector nak bentai ki awareness program jompi pon singi ni ai wai shapi pran nyau lai wei kendai hendru yue ar nyau lai